Hello there, boys and girls, moms and dads, grandmas, grandpas, cats and dogs, and all you peanut butter sandwiches out there. It's Teacher Paul here, and today we've made our way to the beach. We're at the beach because we are going to be talking about waves. No, not that kind of wave, these kind of waves. When you look at the ocean waves at the beach, they move in much the same way as waves of energy. Just like with light and sound, you can see the water is moving in a repeating pattern of crests and troughs. We've come to the beach to look at waves because at the beach it's really easy to identify all those properties, such as the frequency, the amplitude, the wavelength. You can see it right there in how the water moves. But what if I told you there was a way that you could see waves at home as well? Today, I'm going to show you guys how you can make your very own jelly bean wave machine. Let's do it. All right, now, so we're back in my balcony here, and it's time for us to make our very own wave machine. Let me show you what you need. Now it's time for my favorite part of this whole build. We're going to be using the candy. And what we want is we want one gummy bear on each end of every lollipop stick. So it's going to be a lot of gummy bears. So I'm going to need my energy. Not bad. For you, Rod.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So the first thing I need to do now is I need to grab my duct tape. Got it. So I'm gonna have to run a length of duct tape between the two walls here. And there we have it. We have our tape going the whole way. That's about 6 meters maybe. So now that we have that done, it's time to get our barbecue skewers into place on our wave machine. All right, guys, I think that's about as far as I can go because it's starting to rock a lot in the wind and the weight is getting too heavy for the joints. But we still got a really very long wave machine here. So I think I'm ready to give it its first go. So remember, we're looking to see it come up and go down, just like the waves we saw in the ocean. Okay, wave machine, test, fire, 3, 2, 1, go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Epic fail. So I think I need to put some tape on the top of the chopsticks. Otherwise, they're going to fall off like you saw here. That's starting to look a little bit stronger now. I'm just going to push down in between all of the chopsticks, make sure they're held in place nice and firm. And we're going to see if we can make a wave out of this wave machine. Holding it down. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. It should come back. It works! We have a working wave machine. What you should be able to see when we fire off this wave machine, the wave starts here where we put in the kinetic energy, and it moves all the way along the machine, all the way right to the end. And then at the end, it's going to reflect, bounce back, and come all the way back along the machine, back to here where it started, okay? Let's try and do one. I'm going to try really hard with the camera to get it in shot for you. It's not easy, so we'll fire it out that way. And whew. And you can see that wave coming along as well. So guys, there you have it for our candy wave machine. This is a great fun model you can build at home as well to explore how energy moves through waves in our world. I probably wouldn't recommend making one as big as this. I think they work out a little bit better when you make them smaller. But I'm still happy with how it came out, and I love how big it was in the end for the video. Remember guys, if you liked the video, to hit like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more fun projects you can try at home and in the classroom. Till next time, I've been Teacher Paul, and you've been fantastic. Bye bye!